Good morning. Here we are, it's Friday in the gym and we've got a shoulder workout this morning. So shoulder workout consists of shoulder press, and I'm gonna do that in the rack. It's seated, and we're gonna start with 65 pounds and do 3 sets of 10. And let's see, we'll probably up it to 75. Last time I did 65 twice and 75 once, so I'll probably try to do 75 twice today. So I'll hit 65 and then add the 5s and do 75 a couple times. And then we've got the typical shoulder stuff, lateral raises, front raises, so dumbbells, and then we've got the wrist curls again today. So we're gonna start hitting the grip work on Fridays. So I've got the wrist curls and reverse wrist curls, got that already set up, and then we'll hit the PT stretch, the old shoulder stretch, 45-second shoulder stretch with the resistance, so that we can strengthen our shoulder ligaments and tendons at the end of the stretch. And that seems to be making a difference because my shoulders are getting better all the time, so it's good stuff. So then we'll go head out on the pavement for walk or walk jog, see how we feel, and we'll come back and chat. So welcome to Sojourner Vision, this is Russell. Let's hit the gym, let's do this work, let's get it done, let's hit it.
All right, we got Friday in the book. She's done. So Friday workout went well. The old shoulders are feeling better and better. I keep saying every week, even last week, I didn't know how much longer I'd say they're getting better, but actually they're better this week than they were last week. So they're getting pretty good. I'm pretty happy. So yeah, started with 65, moved up to 75 and did that for the second 2 sets. And I think next week I'll probably go up more. I'll probably start with the bar for a warm up and then hit 65, 75, and maybe 80 or 85 pounds. If we do that lift again. If not, we may be at the dumbbells, who knows. So anyway, yeah, so that was good. Then the other auxiliaries, same. Not a whole lot of shoulder auxiliaries you can do, but in my weight room anyway. So the lateral raises and front raises are pretty standard. Same weights, 12 pounders for the lateral raises and the 15 pounders for the front raises. Just not ready to move yet. Front raises, I'd be rocking them up, I know, if I grab the 20s. If I had 17.5 pounders, I don't even know if they make those, probably build something, but yeah, I'll just stick right there at 15 pounders till I know they're way too easy. I grab the 20s for maybe a set and we'll see what happens. So, and then the wrist curls, that's good to add. And then the PT work, the shoulder stretch, that was good. So yeah, and then went out on the walk jog. Again, started with the jog today. So did 4 jog splits, 3 full jog splits, and the last one's just a short, I don't know how far it is, probably less than 2/10 of a mile, probably 0.16, 0.17, 0.18, somewhere in there. So right halfway between 2/10 of a mile, and jog that all the way in. So get 4 jog splits. That's why I'm out of breath now, because I didn't have a walk at the end. So anyway, so got the old walk jog in. Ended up at under 11 this time. So picked up another 15 seconds, 20 seconds. I think 10:55 was my number, 10:55 pace. So squeezing them together a little bit and picking up the pace a little bit this time. So didn't squeeze them together too much more, but I did pick up the pace a little bit. So like a little bit of the combination probably reduced the pace. So anyway, that does Friday. We are on the downhill slide, folks. We are almost to the valley. So we are ready for the weekend. So tomorrow I'll be out for the ab burner and another walk jog, and then we'll be resting on Sunday. So rest day for me is just a walk, slow walk to get ready for Monday's leg day. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys take care. Get some longevity training in so you can meet Age with Grace, folks. Go do it. This is Sojourner Vision. We'll see you later. Be safe. Have a great weekend. See ya.